You've got the work, now you need the perfect portfolio to let it shine. Here's how to set up a professional art portfolio and format that showcases your work to clients and the world in the best light possible. We'll cover 3 things in this video: customizing the look and feel of your portfolio, setting up pro tools that streamline sales, and optimizing your brand and visibility. First is picking the right aesthetic for your art portfolio. Format makes this easy and inspiring by offering dozens of thoughtfully designed contemporary themes with filters for discipline and layout. All are hyper-customizable with intuitive functionality that suits every skill level, so you can assemble a professional portfolio in minutes. Next, think about who's going to see your work. Are you presenting to curators, collectors, a grant committee? Our artist-friendly themes cater to every professional use case, so you can serve your story to your target audience. Tell the story of your practice with strong visual navigation. Using Format's collection pages, break up your projects into series or material focus to showcase your skills and guide the viewing experience of your work. Add contextual details to your gallery pages with captions and text blocks. Captions are great for adding image details like title, date, dimensions, and materials, while text blocks are a great way to add additional context to your projects with artist statements or essays. Need more flexibility to lay out your project? Custom pages are a great way to create bespoke layouts. Collage elements like image, text, video, and more. Get inspired by Anna Sophia Vukovich's classic artist portfolio using the theme Offset. She matches individual works with installation views and explanatory text to include essays and dialogues about each series. By adding this contextual background, she grounds the viewing experience of her work. Anna Sophia's site makes use of both the gallery pages of her site's theme for a carousel-style scroll, as well as bespoke project pages built using flexible custom page tools, which allows her to mix and match page styles for the perfect layout. Are you tempted by several theme options? Format solves decision paralysis by allowing you to switch from theme to theme without losing your work. Preview endless design customizations, from spacing to colors, typography to social sharing, to discover the ideal flow for your audience and desired viewing experience before committing to a site theme. Next up are custom pages and our innovative FlexBlock system. While your chosen theme applies a consistent look across your entire art portfolio, Format's custom pages offer the ultimate in personalization on a page-by-page basis. Start from scratch or adapt existing templates. Every option is fully adaptable. Custom pages for artists frequently include about, contact, and CV pages, as well as unique one-page destinations for special projects. Custom pages spring to life with Format's FlexBlock system. It allows you to create layouts without limits. Best of all, like everything on Format, no coding is required. Set a color, image, or video as a full bleed section background, then add elements on top. Play with opacity, cropping, corner radius, and even overlapping elements, all on a snap grid system that offers complete creative control. Here you can explore Ben Sheets' custom page for his Chroma Depth video processing engine. He uses FlexBlock to layer GIFs, video, and text to explain and showcase the software's capabilities. This creates a narrative flow that's enticing, easy to follow, and as innovative as the work itself. Format's capabilities expand beyond a public-facing portfolio. We provide a suite of pro tools that streamline your sales too. Create a storefront for your art that's perfectly integrated into your Format portfolio. Maintain the same look and feel as you list individual pieces and group projects into themed collections. Custom confirmation and shipping messages simplify admin while keeping your brand front and center with every interaction. Your artistic brand isn't just a visual. Carry over a consistent impression with a custom domain that elevates your presence. Easily assign your domain name in site settings, where you can purchase a domain directly through Format, transfer an existing domain, or connect with an external registrar. This is also where you can edit SEO for all pages and designate custom preview images. As you see, making a professional art portfolio on Format is a snap. Now it's your turn. Pick a theme, drop in your best images, and watch your portfolio come to life. And if you hit any snags, you can contact our human-powered support team anytime. Thank you for choosing Format.